Baati. Take 1 cup of wheat flour. Add some crushed ajwain, a pinch of salt, and just enough water to make a tight dough. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Now make small dough balls and make a small cut on top of each ball. Heat your Appam pan and add a little ghee in each cavity. Place the dough balls in the pan. Apply a little ghee on top and cover it with a lid. Cook the baatis from both sides until they're golden and cooked through. Serve hot with dal or mutton and enjoy the rustic Rajasthani flavour.